Okay, I've got a Whirlpool side-by-side here. This thing was manufactured in 2006, which actually implies that it's pretty darn good. I know the lights are flickering on the screen, but they're just doing it slightly in real world. This is just an effect that happens when it's processing, but it's occasionally flickering. And this damper back here is acting like it's trying to constantly open, and nothing's happening. Further, the temperature reading was about 20 degrees warmer than we'd like it. We're not getting consistent ice. There's frost on the back panel, and there's no fans running, but we do have some ice. It's just kind of wet. Then, when I go back here, I notice there is beeping coming from this main control board that I took apart right here. The compressor is running, and the condenser fan is not running. Neither fans inside or out are running. That thing's beeping. This assembly over here, the damper is creaking, and this is flashing. Something is wrong. So, I think our issue is a bad main control board. Here's my reason why. Because everything seems to be getting the power that it should, except the fans. There's some voltage drop. This is getting power. The damper's getting power. And then the control board's beeping like a weirdo. All right? So I'm going to test a little bit more, verify some inputs and outputs. But I've only been here for about 10 minutes, and it's doing all this weird stuff. Everything goes back to here. Yes, the compressor has an inverter board, and it's getting power from the main control board, and it's stepping it up and down for the compressor. I'm just going to do a little bit of digging, see also if that beeping has anything to do with it.